are you able to see this video and all the other things around you? It is not only because of light. Your eyes have to sense that light and send signals to your brain. Then only you will be able to make sense of the world around you. Now in our kit we have a sensor that can act like the eyes of the robots. Hello everyone, my name is Sai Prakash and this is the series on Robotic Starter Kit. Remember the vampire bot which runs away when light falls on it? Now how does the vampire bot know that there is light falling on it? Here comes the part of the LDR sensor. LDR is nothing but light dependent resistor. Now when light falls on it, it reacts. That's what it means. The principle on which this LDR sensor works is called photoconductivity. Photoconductivity is nothing but the conductivity of the material increases when light is absorbed by that material, which simply means that the more light falls on the sensor, the stronger signals it will send. This is why the DracoBot knows that there is light falling on it, and it sends signals to the processor which takes a decision for it to run away. There is the night lamp, there is the morning alarm, which also take help of the LDR sensor for its workings. Now in the next video, let's take a look at all the other components of the LDR sensor.